What does suggested for you mean on Instagram? So let's see that. If you find suggested for you on your Instagram, so here I can find suggested for you. I can see all. So it is telling about discovering people. So if I scroll down over there, and it will show me up that the reels or the posts that I have interacted and the related people to that, and the people I'm following or the followers of me, and the people they have been followed, and Facebook followers, friends will be suggested for you. This is one thing that suggested for you mean. And the second is that here, if you scroll down, you can find suggested for you reel or suggested for you post. So if you find that suggested for you on the reel or post, that means you are interacted with the reels or the posts that you have liked or commented or tagged related to that. So, suggested for you mean is that friends or the followers or the following for you, and the other thing is that the related reels on your Instagram. Thank you.